Hey everybody, it's Tim Chatfield and Nikki Chatfield, and we are Garden Harvest Table, and today we're going to show you how to put together your 4-square garden.
Yep, we're going to set it up, show you step by step how to put it together. It's a wonderful growing system. Plant the seeds and get you into a backyard garden.
Yep, so stick with us, watch it step by step. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email us at info@gardenharvesttable.com, and we look forward to you having and enjoying your own organic, delicious vegetables real soon. Take care. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a post and a side panel, and you'll notice that they have a dovetail in both, and it slides right down in. Perfect, nice and square. Next, we're going to take the second board and also slide it right down into the dovetail. You'll see that there's 4 on each post, so we just slide it down in. They go gently down in there, and there you go. Now, you just continue around. This is the other corner. Slide that post down onto that dovetail. You take another board and you slide that in as well. Now we have 3 sides. We're going to complete our 4-square by sliding that other post down in. And we're going to grab the other post, put it on this side. And now you want to do one side. Make sure that it all meets. This is a nice way to make sure that you're good in 4 squares. And there you go. It's that simple. Now we're going to show you how to square up your 4-square. Take a tape measure, put it on one corner, go to the opposite corner, and get your measurement. Now you take that and you go to the other side, the same way, catty corner, and you measure that to the other edge, making sure that both measurements are the same. If they're a little bit out, you move your 4-square a little left or right on the corner, and it will bring it to square. Check your measurements. You go from the middle of each board to the other middle of the other board, check that measurement, and then go the other way and check that measurement. Now you can be sure that you're in square. If you need to make little adjustments, the 4-square will move. Make sure you do this before you put the dirt in, because once you put the dirt in, you won't be able to move it. So that's how you square up your 4-square and know that you're ready to put your dirt in. Now, as you can see, we're putting paper down. Now, we've only got the first layer down, but this goes right over the grass or anything that you're putting your 4-square on. This will help keep the weeds down, and it is biodegradable, so the dirt over time will break down the paper and it will become part of the soil. So now you can see that we've completed putting the dirt into the 4-square. Now, what we've done here in the growing zone that we're in, we've put a mixture of manure soil and leaf compost soil, peat moss, sorghum peat moss, and we're going to add an amendment later, our ocean energy, but this is what it should look like before you get started putting your strings up for your 4-squares. So this one's all ready to go. Should be about 1 inch to 1.5 inches below the top of the ridge, and you should be ready to go. Okay, so this is what a completed 4x8 looks like. We've put 2 4-squares together to make a 4-foot by 8-foot. Now we're going to lay out our strings to create our 4-squares so that will be our guide for planting. Okay, now you can see we have our grid on, and Nikki has started to plant. Looks like she's putting tomatoes in. We basically want to put them how far below the soil, Nick?
About 1/4 inch.
About 1/4 inch, and then put the soil right back on top of it. So that's all there is. You plant by squares, and then you'll have plants soon.
Hello, I am planting green beans, and a rule of thumb for planting seeds is that you plant the seed double the size of how big the seed is. So a green bean seed is quite big, so you would want to, it would be twice the size of it deep, and that's how you plant a seed.